Welcome to CourseTrailers.com. We are a provider of online educational information in short video snippets. Presenting the Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate, offered by Google on the Coursera education platform. This beginner-level, 6-course certificate, developed by Google, is designed to provide IT professionals with in-demand skills, including Python, Git, and IT automation, that can help you advance your career. Knowing how to write code to solve problems and automate solutions is a crucial skill for anybody in IT. Python, in particular, is now the most in-demand programming language by employers. This program builds on your IT foundations to help you take your career to the next level. It's designed to teach you how to program with Python and how to use Python to automate common system administration tasks. You'll also learn to use Git and GitHub, troubleshoot and debug complex problems, and apply automation at scale by using configuration management in the cloud. This certificate can be completed in about 6 months and is designed to prepare you for a variety of roles in IT, like more advanced IT support specialist or junior systems administrator positions. Upon completion, you can share your information with potential employers like Walmart, Sprint, Hulu, Bank of America, Google, of course, and more. We recommend that you have Python installed on your machine. For some courses, you'll need a computer where you can install Git or ask your administrator to install it for you. What you will learn in this professional certificate: automate tasks by writing Python scripts, use Git and GitHub for version control, manage IT resources at scale, both for physical machines and virtual machines in the cloud, analyze real-world IT problems and implement the appropriate strategies to solve those problems. It's recommended for you to study at least 5 hours each week, and in approximately 6 months you should be able to complete this professional certificate. More about how this professional certificate works. It's simple. Build the skills to get job ready. Whether you're looking to start a new career or change your current one, professional certificates on Coursera help you become job ready. Learn at your own pace, whenever and wherever it's most convenient for you. Enroll today and explore a new career path with a 7-day free trial. You can pause your learning or end your subscription at any time. As part of this certificate, you will work on hands-on projects. Apply your skills with these hands-on projects and build a portfolio that showcases your job readiness to potential employers. You'll need to successfully finish the projects to earn your certificate. When you complete all of the courses in the program, you'll earn a certificate to share with your professional network, as well as unlock access to career support resources to help you kickstart your new career. Many professional certificates have hiring partners that recognize the professional certificate credential, and others can help prepare you for a certification exam. You can find more information on individual professional certificate pages where it applies. If you find this information helpful, please leave this video a like and consider subscribing to our channel to learn more about many other online courses, certificates, specializations, and much more. A total of 6 courses make up this professional certificate from Google. We go in-depth into each of the courses that make up this certificate in additional videos that you can find below in the links and description area of this video. Be sure to check them out for more information. Course 1 is Crash Course on Python. Course 2 is using Python to interact with the operating system. Course 3 is Introduction to Git and GitHub. Course 4 is Troubleshooting and Debugging Techniques. Course 5 is Configuration Management and the Cloud. And the last, Course 6, is Automating Real-World Tasks with Python. Your instructors for this professional certificate will be from Google. Google Career Certificates are part of Grow with Google, an initiative that draws on Google's 20-year history of building products, platforms, and services that help people and businesses grow. Through programs like these, we aim to help everyone. those who make up the workforce of today and the students who will drive the workforce of tomorrow. Start learning today. When you enroll, you will have access to education taught by top companies and universities. Affordable programs. Apply your skills with hands-on projects. Learn on your own schedule. Course videos and readings. Graded quizzes and assignments. No degree or experience required for many programs. Shareable certificate upon completion. Once you complete each course in this professional certificate, you will receive a course certificate. You can share your course certificates in the certification section of your LinkedIn profile and showcase what your hard work earned you. From all of us at CourseTrailers.com, we sincerely hope you found this information helpful. Please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving this video a thumbs up. To learn more about many other online courses, certificates, specializations, and much more, check out our other videos. Enjoy!